Hi guys, welcome back to Hey Look It's Healthy, and today we're making homemade baked beans. We did try and make it last week, but we had no internet and we're really sorry about that.
So this is take 2, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
So what have we got going on here? We have got in this pan a small onion and half a red pepper all chopped up, and we've cooked that to soften it for about 20 minutes with some olive oil. In there we're going to put a can of cannellini beans, but you can use chickpeas, you can use butter beans, you can use whatever beans you want.
Tomato in then.
That's a good idea. So they all go in, a big can all goes in. Thank you very much, Zoe. Oh, there's still some more left in there.
So should we mix it
There we
together?
go. You don't need to mix it up yet. Okay, we're going to put 2 teaspoons of red wine vinegar. Can you hold the teaspoon for me, Lola, please? Very still. We'll do a shake. Oh!
And today we did
Oh, have I taken the lid off? I have taken the lid off.
today we done our very first plate.
There we go.
I've done my very first plate of the adult, and I need to do it as well tomorrow.
There we go.
Some people who are watching might know because they might be in my school.
Thank you, Zoe.
A bit like
A little bit of smoked paprika. That's about half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. We need to put a little bit of sugar in for sweetness, and we're going to put a quarter of a teaspoon, so not very much at all, just that much. And then what we have done is we've got a can of chopped tomatoes, and we've just whizzed them up to take out all the lumps.
That was lumps, and Zoe complained a bit about them.
That's right, so we've whizzed it up. We're just going to pour that in. Lovely job, girls. And we're going to give it one final stir, put it on the hob. Now that needs to cook for another 10 or 15 minutes. And then it'll be ready to eat with some seeded bread. So thank you very much for joining us. Good, yeah? Like it? Thumbs up all round. See you on... Oh, Sunday won't be on, but we'll see you next Wednesday. Okay, bye.